Alright, welcome back to Good Morning Boss. Mga boss, bukas nandito na si Pope Francis sa Pilipinas at alam niyo ba na ang mga images niya o ang mga larawan niya ay nakadisplay sa Monasterio de Tarlac. Alamin natin yan dito lamang sa I Love My Culture.
Pamilyar ba sa inyo ang relic na ito? Ang Jesus statue na ito ay gaya ng nasa Rio de Janeiro sa Brazil. Dito sa atin, ang miraculous relic of the cross ay matatagpuan sa Servant of the Risen Christ Center, Monasterio de Tarlac sa San Jose, Tarlac.
Ang monasteryo po ay isang lugar na kung saan ang mga monghe ng Servants of the Risen Christ ay nakatira at kami po ay narito upang aming lalong palalimin ang aming relasyon sa Panginoon. No? At ito po ay isang lugar na kung saan ang mga tao ay aming inaanyayahan na pumunta at mamasyal upang paminsan-minsan ay makaranas din ng katahimikan, no? At ang kanilang pananalangin at relasyon sa Diyos. Dito rin po sa monasteryo, meron kaming isang relikya ng bahagi ng krus ni Jesus at ito po ay it was enshrined by the Papal Nuncio Filoni at that time in 2007 at ito po ay galing sa Germany at ito iniwan na dito sa monasteryo at ito po ay binibisita ng mga pilgrims.
In time sa pagbisita ni Pope Francis dito sa Pilipinas, ang Monasterio de Tarlac at ang Embahada ng Israel dito sa Maynila ay nagbukas ng isang photo exhibit na pinamagatang Pope Francis in Israel, the Holy Land, na pinamunuan ni Father Archie Cortez at Israeli Ambassador Effie Ben Matitiao.
Well, ito po ay isang simpleng pakikiisa sa pagdating ng ating mahal na Santo Papa at ito'y pasasalamat na rin sa kanyang ipinapakitang halimbawa sa atin upang lalo mapagtibay ang pananampalataya nating mga Kristiyano.
This event is a bridge. It's actually what we all need in nowadays. You know, we look around the world, too many people are looking for a cause that highlights differences and brings violence and brings antagonism. The Pope and his message, and like other leaders, spiritual leaders, they are looking for bridges, not divides. And I think that this is exactly what we need to do. It's a small world, and as the song that we sang before talks about, we are all sharing the same, we are all the same, and we need to make sure, that the difference is not going to create something that destroys. The difference is something to enjoy and to cherish.
Ipinakikita ng photo exhibit na ito ang mga highlights sa pagbisita ni Pope Francis sa Israel noong May 2014. Makikita dito ang Pope's meeting with President Shimon Peres, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, at ang Ecumenical Patriarch of Constantinople, Bartholomew I, ang mga misa sa Cenacle at Church at Getsemane, at ang pagbisita sa Yad Vashem Holocaust Museum.
You know, we have a traditional friendship with this place, a long-standing traditional friendship, and with Father Archie. And it was kind of, a spontaneous idea, to say, okay, the Pope is coming to the Philippines, and it is his journey, Rome, Jerusalem, and the blessed land of Philippines. So I say, you look around yourself, I think the choice is excellent. It's some of the most beautiful sceneries that I saw in my recent stay in the Philippines. I'm 5 months in the country. So I feel really it's a beautiful choice in that sense. And the pictures add a little bit, to the idea of the spirit that guided the Pope to Jerusalem, guides him also here. It's really bridges between nations, peoples, religions.
Isa ka mang mapagmahal na Katoliko o hindi, ang Monasterio de Tarlac ay isang magandang lugar na puntahan. Ito ay may magagandang landscape, magagandang tanawin at tributo ni Jesus tulad ng nasa Brazil. A visit to Monasterio de Tarlac is still worth the long hour drive. Here, you can find a heaven in the mountains.